Did you know that one of history's greatest Islamic military commanders began his career fighting against Islam itself? Meet Khalid ibn al-Walid. Once a fierce opponent of Islam, he later became its most undefeated soldier. Khalid was known as the Sword of Allah because of his unmatched skills in battle. Before embracing Islam, Khalid fought against Muslims in many battles, including the Battle of Uhud. But a single moment changed his destiny. He converted to Islam and pledged his loyalty to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. From then on, Khalid led the Muslim army to numerous victories, never losing a single battle. His strategic genius and unwavering faith made him a legend, revered by both allies and enemies. Khalid ibn al-Walid's story is a testament to the power of transformation and dedication.
And shadows on her skin.